Napansin mo ba? Kasi kapansin-pansin ang sandamakmak na food parks na nag-open noong 2016. And I'm pretty sure dadami pa sila. And one of those who opened last year ay ang Grubhub. Ako si Wado at ito ang food trip ko. Join ka?
Grubhub kasi, it's not the typical food park because we follow the mainstream food park na puro container vans lang eh. So we wanted to be different. We wanted to be parang a food gallery type because we wanted to showcase like an artsy food park where you can find the best foods in the metro. And we wanted to emphasize na parang may iba-ibang food per stall. So if you could see na each food stall doesn't have the same dishes kasi we wanted to emphasize na different each. So we had the lockout policy na there's only one cuisine per food stall. One of the main things we wanted to also showcase was the murals and the artworks we had here kasi my sister was the one who designed everything and she wanted to emphasize na parang Instagrammable feel in Grubhub. So that's what Grubhub is for us. Siyempre, yung isa sa pinaka-benta niya natin matatago si Mang Larry's. Kasi si Mang Larry's kasi classic na siya eh. We can't discount the fact na siya talaga pinamalakas because some people really go here just for it eh. Because it's the Mang Larry experience they have in UP.
Sobrang kilala si Mang Larry's sa University of the Philippines pero sabi nila, mas masarap daw yung Mang Larry's dito sa Grubhub. Tingnan natin. So, order tayo ng tenga, isaw ng manok, saka isaw ng baboy. And suka. So, dito natin malalaman kung mas masarap talaga dito. Kasi sobrang fan ako ng Mang Larry's sa UP eh. Iba nga talaga. The best street food. Ito yung favorite ko, tenga. Sobrang sarap ng pagkakaluto nila. Kaya para doon sa mga tao na nandito sa North na hindi na natin kailangan pumunta pa sa UP kasi meron na dito sa Grubhub ng Mang Larry's isawan. Galing! Oyo, flamyado. Beef shawarma lumpia. Charon bulaklak with bagnet. Grilled cheese sandwich burger. Wow, I think kumpleto na yung lamesa ko. Now we gotta try the food from Grubhub. Saan tayo magsisimula? We start with, I think, the grilled cheese sandwich burger from Brooks. So, messy na tayo? Numutulo yung beef juice talaga and sobrang nagko-complement yung melted cheese sa loob. Sarap. Sobrang excited ako to try the bacon fried like chicken kasi pangalan pa lang very interesting. So these are generous bacon slices fried like chicken. Tastes like chicken. So the goodness of bacon is still inside. I think this is one of the very interesting food na mahanap natin dito sa Grubhub. Next, we're gonna try the shawarma plate lumpia from Mrs. Lumpia. It's an open-faced lumpia with the shawarma toppings inside. So you have the rice, the dirty rice, shawarma, the sauce, and then yung rice nila. You eat dirty, eat with your hands. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung fusion of food dito sa Grubhub. Galing! Next that we're gonna try is the one from Chichas. They call this the bagnet platter. Dito sa restaurant, they serve everything with chicharon bulaklak. So look at this. It's a very generous plate of chicharon bulaklak and bagnet. Sino ba makakatanggi dyan? Sobrang lutong. Sobrang sarap yung lasa. Seasoned very well. I like it. We'll try this one. This is called the sloppy fries from Iggy Piggy. Let's try it. Parang meron kang ground beef tacos on top. So parang kumakain ng nachos. But it's very, very savory. It's very good. Dahil sobrang chicken fan ako, I'm gonna try this pollo flamyado from Noble. So it looks very, very spicy. So wala, kinamay ko na talaga. Ang hanggang sa loob ng chicken, it's very, very well seasoned. Hindi ko masarap to with dirty rice, di ba? Try natin yung Cheetos Maki nila. Creative, di ba? It's very Try natin. This one is from Aji Sushi. Sobrang sarap niya. Meron tayo dumating na sriracha wings. Tatanggihan ko ba to? Pag ito yung pagkain sa harap mo, you just wanna keep on grabbing and grabbing. Kaya nga Grubhub eh. Next. Ooh. Sarap. May hint of lemon siya sa loob. Hindi siya masyadong spicy. Kaya ko sigurong ubusin to. We're going back to basics. We have our crispy crablets and our crispy calamari. Ako mahilig ako sa mga calamares eh. At para sa ating finale, we're gonna try the chicken barbecue pizza from Papa Nuts. Chicken barbecue on a pizza, no? Talagang sa food park ka lang makakahanap ng mga different food concepts na bagong-bago. If you have time, bring your friends, your family. Go here sa Grubhub. So we're gonna try the grilled chicken pizza. Sobrang juicy nung grilled chicken niya on top. And the thin crust is not too overwhelming. Sarap. Would you believe na sa dami ng nakain ko, ay meron pa ako na-save na konting room for dessert. So we're gonna have this cookies and cream milkshake from Fratello. Look at that. Nice, huh? It's really a good break from all the spicy fried food na kinain natin. Meron pa siya mga ganito on top. Sobrang sarap na nito. But I think there's more dito sa Grubhub. So samahan niyo ako. Ikot pa tayo. Parang sa sobrang dami ng nakain ko, bagay ako tumabay dito sa Big Tommy's. So we're gonna try the banana caramel waffle. See, there's an ice cream on top and fresh bananas. Parang lalaki talaga yung tummy ko pag dito ako kumain ng kumain, ha. Tawag nila dito ay greed. So this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna try an actual s'mores that looks like this. Yan mo, makakatanggi ka ba dyan? Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Chocolate, baked marshmallows. Nagme-melt sa bibig ko yung marshmallow. Tsaka kaya pala greed yung pangalan. Kasi hindi ko talaga share. Grabe, sa sobrang dami ng nakain ko, hindi na ako makapili ng favorite ko. Pero one thing is for sure, there is something for everyone dito sa Grubhub. So this is Sinuado, at ito ang food trip ko.